wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best tattoo kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Despite the name, the Shark Pro is only suitable as a beginner's set. Its low cost makes it the perfect choice to start learning how to tattoo, but the inconsistent power source means you may want to upgrade before moving on to human skin. It includes 4 different machines and a DVD of reference designs, but it doesn't come with any ink. At number 6, beginners will love the instructional materials that come with the Pirate Face Grinder. The 2-hour DVD, along with the 240-page instructional booklet, covers all the fundamentals of learning the art, plus tips for planning out your career. It comes with 8 stainless steel tips, but the machines do not come pre-tuned, and the included ink doesn't stick well. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the eyepower SR01 is an economical choice if you want to outfit yourself with just the basics. It comes with 2 ready-to-use guns and a variety of different sized line and shading needles. It also comes with a lockable lightweight plastic kit box. It even includes practice skin and is compact for easy storage, but the instructional DVD is poor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Rehab Ink Complete comes with a cool skull ink holder and 7 half-ounce bottles of Mom's Millennium ink. The 2 included guns have low vibration frames and high-quality brass contacts to ensure you can create consistent designs. It features 4 gel grips and guns that have accurate needle placement. However, it doesn't come with a case. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Solong TK356 comes with 40 8ml bottles of colored ink and 1 large 10-ounce bottle of blank ink, so you should be able to get through a lot of tattoos before needing to order more. It also includes 10 different sizes of stainless steel needle tips. It's an amazing value set, and all the inks are gamma ray sterilized, but the foot pedal remote is poor quality. At number 2, the Dragonhawk Complete lives up to its name, as it has everything you need to get started as a skin artist. The 4 high-quality machines included have copper coils and steel frames, and they're each tuned for fine lining, shading, and coloring. It features a locking travel case, a stainless steel foot pedal, and a digital power supply. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Hildbrandt Pro 3 is a kit you can continue using beyond the beginner and apprentice phases of your inking career. The dual power supply allows you to keep 2 machines running at once, and the kit comes with a membership to the Teach Me to Tattoo website. It features 7 ink colors, a touchscreen display, and multiple liner and shader settings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video.